Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add multiple lines in your Instagram bio. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. It's super useful to add multiple lines to your Instagram bio. So here's how you can do it. First of all, just come to your profile and go and click on Edit Profile and then go and click on Bio. Now, as you can see in the bottom right here, there's no option for return. But to go and get the option, all you need to do is go over to the bottom left and go and click on where it says 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it then goes and reveals the return button. You can then click there. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have the return button there, then there still is an alternative. Come out of Instagram and open up your settings. Scroll down to General and then scroll down to Keyboard, and here scroll down again and enable dictation. Now that's switched on. After that, come back to Instagram and you'll notice a microphone icon then appears in the bottom right, which is dictation. All you need to do is go and click on it and say new line. You can then switch it off, and as you can see, and move the cursor down one. So that's basically how you can add multiple lines in your Instagram bio. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.